There's a city inside Miami most people never actually see, the Gables. 100 years ago, this was a quarry. They pulled the rock out of the ground, built half the city with it, and filled what was left with spring water. It's still there, still open, and locals know to go early. The Biltmore went up in 1926, 150 acres, and you don't need a room. Just walk into the lobby, order something cold, and the building does the rest. Every road here feels like it goes somewhere quieter. Matheson sits at the end of it. Saltwater pool cut into the bay. Locals have been coming here for more than 60 years while everyone else fights for parking in South Beach. You don't really plan the night here. You walk in and it plans itself. The Gables isn't one market. It's 8 to 11 micro markets. The Gables rewards the people paying attention to the architecture, to the streets, to the timings. It always has. If you're thinking of moving, reach out to me and I'll help you navigate the Miami market.